The Borough of West Homestead is currently under consent decree and needs the ability to get into their pipes to show they are actively examining and proposing solutions for issues found.
The system was designed to be affordable, easy to use, highly portable, and a high-quality camera system in order for clients to be able to quickly assess issues and make informed decisions about how to manage their systems.
One of the biggest wins we found was quickly and affordably obtaining a high volume of footage in a very short period of time. We got roughly 35,000 feet of camera work done in about 3 months.
You know, working with my engineer and based on the calculation of footage required and the amount of footage coded, I believe we saved in excess of $100,000 in 2022.